Can
Oh,
you see
looks
me?
good.
Okay, I
Okay.
see you.
Okay.
Okay, so how do you? I let you because you know everything. So you tell me what you need to know.
Okay. So the thing is, first of all, I need to introduce myself, and I have still existing lawyer client, law firm. They are from Los Angeles. I mean, based on California and specifically Los Angeles, and
Okay,
that's called Trust Law Partner.
okay,
It's also a big law firm because their per month at budget is 12,000 to $30,000.
okay,
So this is the thing, and that I'm working that company almost 6 months.
okay.
They are getting good results, and in the first time when you message me, you mention you are target those type people which people attacked by fire and they want a case to get something and they need the lawyer.
Yes.
So that
Okay.
was I understand, but your last message yesterday, that's I'm not clear. Could you please explain me?
Okay. So in California, I don't know if you watch the news. There was a large lot of many fires.
Yeah.
And the one in there was one in the city called Pacific Palisades. There was one in a different city. I forgot. It's called the Huel Fire. But the one in the city of Altadena, California, was caused by what we believe was not natural.
Okay.
It was caused from a company that has electric wires, and when they did not update the lines to make it safe. So when the wind happened, there's a lot of winds. The wind caused the wires to do something to cause a spark, and the spark came down and started a fire. And the fire grew so big that it caused a lot of damage to people's houses. 20 people died. I think about maybe 5 to 10,000 homes were destroyed by
Yeah.
fire to the ground. All the businesses in the area have shut down because no one lives there anymore. The smoke and the ash from the fire went about maybe from Pasadena, Altina, 5 to 10 miles out. All the homes in those areas have gotten smoke and ash damages. Some are destroyed not by fire; they're destroyed by the ash, the smoke, and the people. Some of them don't have insurance, and they are causing. They are having many problems.
Exactly. So we can do two things. One is we can do also SEO and we can do also the Google PPC. I mean sponsor. But in
Mhm.
sponsor, we paid little bit, not lots of money.
Okay, sorry, my son is going to sleep.
Okay, no problem. So I will create a plan and I will send you in the next meeting. So do you have time tomorrow in the same time?
Yes, we can talk tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow same time, right?
Okay,
Okay,
perfect.
perfect. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.